Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we're so excited to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of our family. What are the top health benefits of turmeric? 1. Contains protective compounds. Colorful plants are good for our health, thanks to the color pigments that are responsible for their bright hues, and turmeric is no exception. The key compounds in turmeric are called curcuminoids, with much of the publicity around the spice being down to curcumin itself, which is the main active component and makes up about 3% of the root by weight. Although an impressive constituent, curcumin is just one of hundreds of bioactive compounds found in this spice. 2. Has antioxidant properties. The value of plant compounds like curcumin is that they help the body combat the damaging effects of a process called oxidation. Over time, this process may cause chronic inflammation and, as a result, lead to age-related conditions like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cancer. Including antioxidant foods in our diet makes our bodies better placed to cope with aging and the inflammation associated with it. It may also help with exercise-induced inflammation and potentially provide some relief from muscle soreness. 3. May help ease arthritis. Studies comparing the anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric with those of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, have shown great promise. Animal studies exploring curcumin's therapeutic potential as a treatment for arthritis have also been encouraging. In fact, the most compelling evidence for curcumin lies in its ability to alleviate joint pain. Nevertheless, we still need more well-designed clinical trials to determine the efficacy of curcumin for arthritis patients, particularly those who rely on NSAIDs to manage their condition. May support those with Alzheimer's or dementia. Another active ingredient in turmeric is turmerone. Although less is known about turmerone, studies suggest it may be useful for treating conditions such as stroke and Alzheimer's disease, since it helps trigger cell repair and may potentially support the recovery of brain function. However, these studies typically involve animal and cell models only, and because the active constituents of turmeric are often poorly absorbed in humans, more research is needed before we can establish how beneficial turmerone may be. 5. May lower the risk of cardiovascular disease. Studies suggest the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects of curcumin may protect against some of the factors involved in heart disease. These include helping balance cholesterol levels and blood pressure. 6. May support the immune system. Curcumin may act as an immune modulator by influencing important immune cells, including T cells, B cells, and natural killer cells. In addition, curcumin appears to down-regulate pro-inflammatory compounds called cytokines. It's these that over time lead to the damage associated with inflammation. When consumed at low doses, curcumin may enhance our antibody responses, helping us fight off infection. There are also some animal studies that suggest a possible role in controlling allergic conditions, including hay fever. 7. May help prevent cancer. Curcumin appears to play a role in helping us fight cancer. Active at different stages of cancer development, studies suggest curcumin may help limit the growth of new blood vessels and tumors, reduce the spread of cancer, and contribute to the death of cancer cells. However, it's important to note that the research in this area is still very much in an exploratory stage, and more evidence is needed before curcumin can be recommended for cancer patients. 8. May boost mood. Once again, it is curcumin that may be responsible for helping the spice lift our mood and alleviate some of the symptoms of depression. One study examining its antidepressive effects found that curcumin was as effective as the drug Prozac. There's also a suggestion that curcumin may boost feel-good brain chemicals, including the neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine. 9. May help with memory. Animal studies suggest that curcumin increases the levels of a brain hormone called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. This helps promote the life of nerve cells and plays an important role in memory and learning. More human studies are needed to fully investigate these benefits, but initial findings look promising. 10. May reduce the signs of aging. Curcumin may help slow the aging process by activating certain proteins and protecting cells from damage. In this way, it may delay the progression of age-related conditions and alleviate the associated symptoms. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for following us.